Good morning. How are you doing today? Hope you are doing well. My name is Victor Kweji, your business success coach and consultant. Once again, I come here with Business Building Blocks, episode 6 for 2023. Now, here's what I've got for you today. Don't stay in bed unless you can make money in bed. This is by John Ruskin. Now, we all have to keep it moving, even when there seems to be little to do. The barest minimum is to keep learning and educating yourself whilst waiting on the job, starting the business, or pursuing that which is on your heart. Doing absolutely nothing while claiming to desire to want to become successful in whatever you do is just a wish, if not a joke. And do you know something I've discovered in life? As long as you keep doing something and moving in the direction of your dream, at some point, someone will believe in you to give you the needed push and the support that you so much desire. Because the part you must play can only be executed by you. An opportunity to prove that you believe in your own dream first. It is time to keep it moving, people, as we count down the year. I hope this inspires and challenges you. Well, just before you go, if you need help to become an entrepreneur, to start your own business or to grow as a business, don't hesitate to reach out. And I'll be more than glad to help, just as I've helped many others. And even more importantly, we've got coming your way soon the Business Building Block podcast, and I hope you take advantage of it. It's going to be very informative, very detailed. We're going to equip you and inform you to help you in your entrepreneurial journey as well as other aspects of life. And finally, if you'd like to write your own book and become an author in 2023, this is where you start from. I am going to share with you in this workshop the 10 easy, basic, simple steps I've developed that has helped me to be able to write so many books. I've written 13 books to date, published 8 of them, and have helped many other authors with the same tips that has helped them to write their books, and also helped you also ghostwritten a number of other books as well. Well, thank you once again, and we look forward to coming your way again. So please don't hesitate to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section.